Project Profitability Summary, Reports in QuickBooks Online. Agenda. Introduction. Purpose of the report. Accessing the report. Report components. Customization options. Use cases, limitations, best practices, summary, Q&A. Many business owners operate on intuition, guessing which projects are truly making money. This approach is risky. It can lead to financial strain, missed opportunities for growth. The Project Profitability Summary Report in QuickBooks Online is designed to eliminate this guesswork entirely. It provides a clear, concise financial snapshot of each project you undertake. Think of it as a report card for your work. It tells you plainly whether a project succeeded financially or fell short. This insight is not just for seasoned accountants, small startups, established firms, accounting students. The importance of this report cannot be overstated. It transforms complex financial data into a simple, digestible format. Income costs, the resulting profit. It empowers you to make informed, strategic decisions. You can instantly see which types of jobs are your most lucrative and which ones are draining your resources. This knowledge is power. Adjust your pricing strategies. Allocate your team more effectively. Focus your business development efforts on the most rewarding endeavors. Without this report, you are flying blind, hoping that your overall revenue is enough to cover hidden losses on specific projects. Finding and running the Project Profitability Summary Report is a straightforward process, designed to be accessible even for those new to QuickBooks Online. To begin, navigate to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left-hand navigation panel, find and click Reports. Enter the Reports library, a central place for all your reports. Standard reports, custom reports. Use the search bar at the top of the Reports page. Type Project Profitability Summary into the search box. Click the Project Profitability Summary result. QuickBooks will generate a default report view. First, set the correct parameters. Start with the date range. Select a predefined period. This month, this quarter, last year, or set a custom start and end date. You can review a week, a month, or an entire long-term project. Filter to view all projects or a specific project. Choose customer. Click Run Report to refresh with your parameters. The report layout is simple and easy to scan. Each row represents a single project. Columns show core financial metrics for each project. Income, total invoiced and received for the project in the date range. Costs, all expenses assigned to the project. Materials, subcontractor fees. Billable employee time. Income and costs are the building blocks of profitability. The report auto-calculates gross profit and profit margin. Gross profit, cons income minus costs, shows raw dollar profit for the project. Profit margin shows that profit as a percentage of income. Example, a 30% margin means $1 income keeps 0.30 after direct costs. Percentage enables apples-to-apples comparisons between projects. That's really helpful. While the default view of the Project Profitability Summary Report is useful, its true power is unlocked through customization. At the top of the report screen, you will find several options that allow you to tailor the information to your specific analytical needs. Use the Group by drop-down menu to organize the data. Group projects by customer. See all projects for a single client clustered together. Great for evaluating client-level profitability, not just a single job. Use filters to narrow the report to relevant data. Filter by project status. Show only in-progress projects. Filter by specific income accounts. Filter by expense types. These filters help investigate high costs or low revenue. Grouping and filtering turn the report into an investigative tool. Modify the columns via the small gear icon in the report table. Show or hide columns from the gear menu. Add columns to break costs down into categories like labor. Add columns to break costs down into categories like materials. Or hide detailed columns for a cleaner summary. Name it Monthly Active Project Review, or name it Client Profitability Report. Saved custom reports appear in the Custom Reports tab. Run them with a single click. Makes regular financial analysis fast and repeatable. Great. Section 4. Practical Applications and Inherent Limitations. The practical applications are vast and varied. They touch nearly every aspect of business management. Budget monitoring is a common use case. Run the report as a project progresses to compare actual income and costs against the initial budget. Catch budget overruns early. Make necessary adjustments, like communicating with the client about scope changes, or finding ways to control escalating costs. The report acts as an early warning system, preventing small financial leaks from becoming major floods. Strategic planning and resource allocation is another key use. Regular reviews reveal profitability trends across projects and clients. Smaller, quicker projects may yield higher margins. Large, complex projects may show lower margins. Use that insight to shift focus, direct marketing, and assign top team members, and which to decline. The report is also a powerful communication tool for client reporting. Sharing a simplified profitability view provides transparency for time and materials work. It builds trust and justifies the costs. Internally, it's invaluable in team meetings. It helps managers see the financial impact of decisions and fosters accountability. It connects daily work to the company's bottom line. But be aware of limitations. Accuracy depends on data quality in QuickBooks. If invoices aren't linked to projects, or expenses are miscategorized, or expenses aren't assigned, the report will be incomplete and misleading. Standard reports usually only reflect direct project costs. They may not include indirect overheads like rent, utilities, administrative salaries. For a true profitability picture, perform additional analysis to allocate overheads appropriately. For students entering the world of accounting, it offers a practical application of theoretical principles. Income tracking. For small business owners, it is a gateway to greater control and strategic planning. By moving from guessing to knowing, you can build a more resilient and profitable business. This report is your first step toward achieving that clarity, offering a simple yet powerful lens through which to view the financial performance of your hard work. Okay. Imagine you run a small marketing agency, website design project, social media campaign. At the end of the month, you see money in the bank, but you have a nagging feeling that one project was far more demanding than the other. The Project Profitability Summary Report provides the answer. Exact income received, precise costs incurred, breakdown for website and campaign side by side. Compare their profit margins side by side, concrete evidence of which project was the better investment, guiding future business choices. This report serves as a foundational element for sound project management and financial health. Reports can be exported to Excel for advanced analysis, PDF for distribution, customized dashboards for managers. For reliable reports, the best practice is disciplined and consistent data entry. When creating invoices, bills, expenses, or time entries, always assign them to the correct project. Also, review your reports regularly, weekly or bi-weekly, to spot discrepancies early. If you see costs rising without a corresponding increase in billable work, you can investigate immediately. Cross-checking with detailed reports like time activities by project can help pinpoint any issues. To ensure accuracy, have your team track time against projects using QuickBooks Time or an integrated app. Remember to enter their true hourly cost, including wages, taxes, and benefits, for an accurate profit margin. Once a project is finished, close it out to keep your reports clean. The Project Profitability Report is a key tool for financial control, supporting better decisions and sustainable growth. If this helped, subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials, like the video, and download the free Project Profitability Checklist linked below.